Ano po ang legal basis ng isang pollution control officer? Ang legal basis ng isang pollution control officer appointment or accreditation, itong nakasulat po sa DNR Administrative Order 2014-02. Ano po itong DAO 2014-02 dated February 3, 2014? DAO 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation. Ito po ay ang legal reference para sa isang pollution control officer ng isang kumpanya or ng isang facility. Sabi po dito sa Section 3 ng DNR Administrative Order 2014-02, scope and coverage. This order shall cover the accreditation of PCOs of establishments that discharge solid, liquid, or gaseous waste to the environment or whose activities, products, or services are actual and or potential sources of land, water, or air pollution. This order shall likewise apply to local government units, LGUs, development authorities, government-owned and controlled corporations, and other public establishment. So ang isa pong establishment in a particular location, kailangan meron pong appointed pollution control officer, lalong-lalo kung meron daw discharge of solid, liquid, or gaseous waste to the environment, or the activities, products, or services can be an actual or potential sources of environmental pollution. Kaya naman sa Section 7 ng Department Order na ito, sabi po dito, Section 7, appointment or designation of PCOs. The managing heads of establishments, LGUs, and other government institutions that discharge solid, liquid, or gaseous waste to the environment or whose activities, products, or services are actual and or potential sources of land, water, or air pollution shall appoint or designate and seek accreditation for their PCO, provided that no PCO shall serve as such for more than one establishment. So sa Section 7 ng DAO 2014-02, kailangan ang managing head ay mag-a-appoint or magde-designate ng kanyang pollution control officer. May mga pagkakataon yung mga owner or manager ang nagiging pollution control officer, lalong-lalo kung ang kategory ng kanyang establishment ay category A. Merong dalawang categories ang establishment based on Section 5 at yan yung category A at category B. So kapag ka owner or manager ang magiging isang PCO, dapat lamang ay for category A lamang na establishment. So ang legal reference natin sa appointment or designation ng pollution control officer, walang iba kundi itong DAO 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for pollution control officer accreditation. So samantalang ang usapan talaga dito ay guidelines for PCO accreditation, kailangan talagang mabasa natin ang nakasulat sa Section 8 ng Department Order na ito. At yan po ang Accreditation of Pollution Control Officer. Sabi dito, I read, the managing heads of establishments, LGUs, and other government institutions shall apply for the accreditation of their appointed or designated PCO at the concerned EMB regional office within 15 calendar days from the date of appointment or designation. So bilang isang Managing head, kailangan masiguro mo na yung appointed or designated PCO mo ay magkaroon ng accreditation sa EMB Regional Office dahil yan ang main requirement ng ating establishment or facility under DAO 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for PCO accreditation. Yun lamang po. Thank you very much for time listening and God bless us all.